Hello, my name is Teresa, and I just wanted to talk about my Seint story with you. So it all started probably 3.5 years ago when I ran across Harmony Booze, and she was just doing like a hair tutorial, and I think she went viral because of a hair tutorial. But I saw her using this one layer makeup system, and I was so intrigued by it, and I actually reached out to her and I got color matched by her. And then I did nothing with this information for the longest time. So I think that was probably 2017. And then I think it was 2020, I signed up with another makeup company. So I already have one business. It's an anti-aging channel. So I'm doing like mesotherapy, my own Botox, my own fillers, just anything anti-aging. So platelet-rich fibrin, blah, blah, blah. So that's here on this website as well. So anyway. So I did nothing with that knowledge for 3 years just because I have oily skin, and I figured this cream makeup is never, ever, ever gonna work for somebody with oily skin. And I am really kicking myself 4 years later because I didn't try it for myself. Like, it's pretty much the most amazing makeup I have ever used, and it does work for oily skin. You just have to have a good skincare routine, and you have to prep your skin. But everybody should have that anyway. So I was with another makeup company, and I don't love liquid foundation anymore. It does not look good for aging mature skin. So I was just over it, and I wanted to become a Seint artist. So without even trying Seint, I signed up in December of 2020. And the funny thing is I have been following like all of these Seint artists, and I actually didn't even end up signing with Harmony. I ended up signing with Jessica Wilson. So Jessica Wilson is my upline, and when you sign up with me, you get personal mentoring from me, but you also get my upline, which is Jessica. So really great group of women here in the Glam sorority. I love it. I love the training opportunities. There's always so much training going on. It's almost like overwhelming. So, but I just love this company. I love how much of an impact you can make on other women when you get those messages from somebody who had basically given up on life, and now they're getting up and they're applying their makeup, and just the little steps of getting ready every day have made a huge impact in their lives, and you had a part in helping somebody with that. It's just like one of the most amazing feelings you will ever have. So I mean, yes, there is the money. So you do get paid a commission, 20 to 40%, just depending on your level, your sales volume, and all that. So but the bare minimum is 20%, which is actually one of the highest affiliate percentages that you will find. So it's actually really an amazing payout. And then you get paid every Friday, and then depending on how much you sell, you get like a bonus monthly. So I don't know, it's just, I love being here. I love this makeup. Like, I cannot say enough about this makeup. Yes, it did take time for my skin to adjust, but it did adjust. And then the color is imperative. So not having the right color, if it's too light, it's gonna look oily on the skin. It's gonna like emphasize all your texture, all your pores. But when you have the right color, it is beautiful. You don't even know you have anything on your skin. So it's a skin-like finish. It's just the most beautiful makeup ever. And I love being a part of this program. So there is a $13 monthly website fee, but that's your only fee. There's not like a minimum that you have to sell or anything like that. So but this has really helped me just to grow so much as a person. I am very introverted and shy, and this has really forced me to do hard things, do things that I'm afraid of, which has helped me grow as a person so much. Like, the confidence that I have gained from this is amazing. Like, I even just decided, you know what, I want to be a makeup artist. So I went and I got my makeup artist certification. So it just made me grow, and I love it. I love the challenges that it brings. I love how much I've grown. I love how much confidence I have gained, and yeah, I love being here. So if you want to sign up as a Seint artist, I am taking mentees. So I'm here to personally mentor you and help you through your journey, but there is a link to sign up. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment, ask questions. I'm here. That's my Seint story, my why. I love helping women. So I just love helping women feel amazing.